trying for 6 months, I got the chance to install Windows 11 original version from the original method. So if you want to install Windows 11 original version from the original method, stay with this video. But don't worry if you don't have right specifications to install Windows 11, because from the next video anyone can install Windows 11, even if you have a Pentium processor, even if you have a 500 MB of RAM, anyone can. So stay tuned. But before that, let's start today's video. First, you need a pen drive because we are going to boot the computer from this. Then we must download the Windows 11 ISO file. So the link is in the description. So this will take some time to download. Until that, let's format our pen drive. Right click and click format. This will also take some time. Now let's download a software called Rufus. The link is in the description. Oh, now the pen drive is formatted. You can see there's no files in the pen drive. Back to Rufus. So now click Rufus 3.17 portable and it will start to download. Okay, now the Windows ISO file is also downloaded. Now we have to connect the ISO file to the pen drive. For that, we are using Rufus. So let's open Rufus that we downloaded before. Now click No. First we can see the pen drive name and then we must select our ISO file. So click select and select ISO file. After that, everything is ready. So click start. Click OK, and this will take some time. Now we can close Rufus. We can see our ISO file has extracted to the pen drive. So now we have to shut down our computer. Now you have to make your BIOS settings to boot the computer from the pen drive. For that, just YouTube it as how to make a computer USB bootable from BIOS with your computer or motherboard brand. So you will find plenty of tutorials and follow one of them, and then we can boot your computer. After that, connect your USB to your computer and turn on your computer. So now we will boot. Now you can follow these simple steps. Now it's installing Windows 11. There you go. Now you can set up Windows. Wow, Windows 11. Right now also I am editing this video from Windows 11. Actually it's fast and it's smooth. So this is how you can install Windows 11 original version from the original method. And as I said, from the next video anyone can install Windows 11. Until then, I'm signing out. Side mirror beyond your sight.